Finally, our parts arrived. That's the great thing about Amazon. They've got super fast shipping, except for when you need it. We were delayed, but here we are. Cylinder, it's kind of funny. It comes in an Echo box. Well, the outside box was an Echo box. I didn't think it was actually Echo, but it's made in Japan, so that's better than China. That's good. And it, I don't know, looks okay. And the piston kit has all the extra gaskets that we'll need one or two of for sure. Does not purport to be any kind of original equipment because this is $150 here. Doing original equipment, which admittedly is going to be better, was $250 pushing $300, and on a $380 machine, it just doesn't make sense to do that. So, see what happens. All right, what is that? 120-ish PSI, so I guess that's better. I don't know. Well, running. Carburetor definitely needs some TLC. But it runs a whole lot better than it did. Well, it doesn't idle quite as smoothly as I would like. I'm going to blame the carburetor for that. But revs up. I don't know if that's as high as it's supposed to rev. It seems a little slow to me, but I've messed with the mixture, but I can't get anything out of it. I'm going to leave it a little bit rich, especially as it's breaking in, just for extra lubrication. Well, I can admit when I was wrong. I saw that name and assumed, oh yeah, that can't be original equipment, Echo. But then I saw that name. I guess it is.